Let's talk about further interesting topic, which is IndCat. Now, IndCat is an online union catalog of Indian universities. Now, this catalog is a union database of various library resources, books, theses, and serials, which have been one of the major important aspects of maintaining the IndCat. Now, as we said, books, theses, and serials. So, three things under which it is divided. Now, under books, we have more than 95 lakh unique records, that are there. Also, you have nearly 189 universities which have their records being maintained, the bibliographic records being maintained. When it comes to thesis, you have more than 4 lakh plus thesis from across 43 universities in India. When it comes to serials, you have nearly 35,000 serials that are there, with nearly 229 institutions involved with the same. Now, this is a effort that was released by UGC, and on the recommendations of INFLIBNET, it has been getting financial aids for maintaining the various catalogs that are there for the university activities, and has funded many universities for creating the bibliographic record for their own purpose. So what is the objective? So first is funding the universities, the potential universities, for creating a bibliographic record. Again, it also focuses on interlibrary loan. So interlibrary loan is another important aspect that could be covered under IndCat. It focuses on 365 days, 24 hours and 7 days a week of online free access to all the users from the stored database that is there. The server has built-in inter-university loan feature that is there. So if the university requires loan, they can raise a request there itself. Copy cataloging and retro conversion of bibliographic records along with collection development are some of the important aspects that have been seen. So copy catalogs are again important aspect of this IndCat that has been seen. And also among the user communities, you have promoting the use of union catalogs that are there. So some of the most important features that we talk about in IndCat are, you have simple and advanced search that could be done on its platform. Those searches are done using simple Boolean operators. Also, it is an index based search. So all the searches are done based on the index search, and most of the bibliographic records are maintained either in MARC or MARC XML. So we have covered those in separate lectures, you can just refer that. So those are the two standard formats under which you have the bibliography that is maintained. The link to the full thesis for Shodhganga is also maintained with IndCat. You have the browser interface that is there, search facility that is there on IndCat, and a kind of search across the union catalog of all the universities across India is also possible, but there are certain cases in which the searches are restricted to certain criteria. Those were some of the key important aspects of IndCat, a very important project being laid down with the help of INFLIBNET. The idea is to maintain the bibliographic records across the country, find the potential universities, help them with inter-university loans, also focus on maintaining a detailed bibliographic record for all the universities, all the subjects in three formats. What are those? Books, thesis, and serials. So a very important concept that you need to know, and essential for your NET paper 1. You have off and on questions based on the developments that are asked for the higher education based on contemporary findings. So here are some of those most important topics.